Hi everybody, Robin's Sunny Homestead here. I'm gonna do a harvest of some of the potatoes in my raised bed, and I already harvested the container potatoes, um, and I forgot to get it on camera, but I will show it. I will show you the harvest. So also. Um, I lost all my chickens Friday night. Something got into my chicken coop and killed the Miracle and Mr. Fluff. And the next night, they got into the other coop, which I thought was secure, but I guess it wasn't. And they killed the two baby chicks. So now I have no chickens at all. So just wanted to, that's an update on the chickens. Okay, so let me get you turned around here and I'll show you the harvest um, from the container potatoes. So here's the harvest from the container potatoes. I am not disappointed. I'm actually pleased. Here's the biggest one. And you know, that's a pretty good sized potato. And then we have, you know, some other ones that are sizable, and then of course we have the small ones. They're all different sizes, but I was pleased with the container, and those were russets. Okay, now we will go and I'll harvest some, and I hope I can get it on camera. I don't have a tripod, so we'll see. All right. Okay. So I'm out here in the garden, and those two right there I'm gonna harvest, and the tall yellow one I'm gonna harvest. This one's still got a little green on one, but the other one is totally dead, so I'm probably gonna harvest all of these and those two. And I told you earlier that, and these died back fast because we had 6 days of rain and they just got way too wet, and right after the rain they started yellowing. So it's time to get these out of here, and I'll just be thankful for whatever I get, but I'm not really expecting much. Okay, so not sure how I'm going to uh, do this um, and get it on camera, but let me try to set this camera up. Okay, hope you can see this. Well, here goes number one. Oh, number one, but here goes this one. Like I said, I'm not expecting much because they died back way too soon. Let's see. So here's one. And right, here's one. And there's the seed potato. And that one's cut in half, so that was one of the half ones. Here's a little itty bitty one. lots of worms in here. That's a good thing. Oh, man. I just cannot hold back the rain. Yeah, so I only got 2 potatoes off that. And there was only, I harvested 4 plants before this because they were dead as well. And I got very few potatoes on those. Here we go. Here's this one. Okay. Nothing on the end of it, but let's see. We'll go further over here. Okay. Oh, here's one. Sorry. So that one only had one. That looks like. It's pretty hot out here, so kind of trying to get this done. And here's the other half of it. So this one was a whole potato, and I only got one. I only got one potato, I think. Yeah, just one. Okay. Well, like I said, it died back early because of the rain. So, another one. That's not bad. Here's one. And another one. Sweet potato. And that's it for that plant. Yeah, there's one. Got a little blemish there. And there's one. There's one. some. Okay, here's one. Alrighty, this is the harvest from the raised bed minus 3 plants. There's still 3 plants there that are green, so I'm just going to let them go until they die back. But this is what I got from the raised bed, and then also I showed you the container. So I'm thankful for what I got, and I will just try to do better next year, and hopefully we won't get 6 days of rain. Alright then, y'all have a oh yeah, I'm going to update you on my health situation. Last week I had an episode of shortness of breath, being shaky and weak, and having bowel problems. And I went to the doctor, and they said my heart rate is very low, too low, and that I need a pacemaker. So far, that's all I know. And for those of you who wish me well on my health, that's the update for now. Okay, God bless. If you like this video and want to see more, like, comment, and subscribe. I could probably obviously use some tips on potatoes. Alright then, y'all have a wonderful night and a blessed week. Bye-bye.